So welcome to our new home for the next 2 weeks.
Or possibly longer if we like it that much. This is the Plaza hotels in Portimão.
Yep.
We booked it on lastminute.com and it cost us £162 for 2 weeks. So just over £80 a week. Come and have a look inside. It's an 80 square metre apartment. Now this is November and it's during COVID time, so there's hardly anyone around at all. So maybe that's why the deals are good. Come into the apartment.
So we've got our little entryway.
We've got the kitchen, a good sized fridge freezer, not the brand newest, it looks a little bit old, but it seems
but
okay.
It's still fine. Fridge and freezer, we can stock them up.
Yep.
Great.
Some storage space, we've got a microwave, we've got a brand new toaster, which looks very good. The oven.
Oven is brilliant. We didn't have one in Krakow, I'd say.
And 3 rings on top.
Yep, and so they've got a blooming price list inside if you break stuff.
Yeah,
I've already reported that they're missing one bowl and the frying pan
we
scratched.
don't have to pay the €2 for that. And a sink and a kettle
there.
and then a nice view out the front of the pool, which if it's warm enough, I might even get in there and have a dip. Little breakfast table, which is cool.
That's cool.
Through to the spacious
Look
lounge.
at this.
We're quite pleased with this. This is like double the size of what we had in Krakow in lockdown back in March. So there's a double sofa, which is a sofa bed by the look of things. Chair, tables.
Yeah, table with 4 chairs.
Yeah. And then TV as well. Haven't tried that yet, but hopefully it'll be good to practice my Portuguese. And a large balcony opening on to onto the spacious balcony.
This is a blinking enormous balcony because we're on the ground floor. These ones up here will get the smaller rounder ones, but because we're on the ground floor we get the enormous balcony.
Yeah. Just catch a bit of afternoon sun here.
Yeah.
And an overgrown football pitch as a viewpoint.
Yeah, it's not quite, like it's not sand and beach, but it's quiet. So lovely and quiet. So now we come back through.
I can't believe how much room we've got. Wow.
Gosh, we're gonna have to sweep it every day.
Bathroom.
Okay, look at the bathroom. So we've got there's the sink and there's like the towels. Because it's a budget room, we don't get a cleaner.
Yeah.
But we do get
a bidet. A hygienically clean and sterilised toilet, which is good.
We've got 2 rolls of toilet paper, so if you've watched out...
Make them last the winter.
And...
a bathtub and shower. So that's good.
So good. Again, look at the size of it. Remember how tiny our one was in Krakow? Like, loved it dearly, but very small.
Through to the bedroom. There's 2 single beds. A bit of storage space. There.
Yep.
A desk to
wow,
sit at,
look at
handy for
that.
sitting and doing some work on the laptop. A mirror and out onto the balcony again.
But that's so wonderful. Like, if we're going to be, productive and proactive, one of us can be in this room making a vlog, and one of us can be in the other room.
Yeah.
Ah, this looks so pretty.
If you had a zoom, you could see through the tower blocks and the cranes and catch a glimpse of the Atlantic Ocean.
Tiny sliver of the Atlantic. But we'll get more of that another time. But so, Lee, value for money. What do you think?
Well, I reckon for £40 each for a week, it's like you can't really complain with that, can you? Definitely. We've got a winter holiday place in the Algarve, and as far as the beach is concerned, that's like a 10-minute walk, I think, down towards the beach. We've got a 10-minute walk away from supermarkets as well. Cut through by the football pitch. Yep.
Wonderful.
Yeah. So we think it's good value for money, and it's one of the best ones. It's worth looking on lastminute.com, on Agoda and on booking.com at the moment, because they're giving these places away at the moment because there's hardly anyone around. So it's nice place to come.
And we'll let you know more in future videos about how our stay is going in the Algarve.
We're going to start exploring. We might have a couple of weeks here in Portimão. We might go over to Lagos. We might go to another destination, do a bit of trekking around, explore the area. Looking forward to it.
Lee, how is it?
Cold. No, it's not too bad at all really. If you keep moving, you're fine. 1st of December in the pool. Can't be bad.
It looks beautiful. Oh my
is
word,
very
it looks
nice.
so blue.
If you're used to the North Sea or the, you know, North Atlantic, you're okay. I don't think the Portuguese will be coming in here though. Come for a little walk down on Portimão beach. Surf's up. Plenty of space for all. Mandy's back along on the boardwalk somewhere. Nice day for it. Yeah, pretty pleased about being here really. Couldn't think of a better place to be to sit out the winter months of 2020. Somewhere nice and quiet. Plenty of nice walks around by the sea. Nice place to stay with a pool. Have some winter sun like this. I'm a happy man.